There's that red bellied woodpecker. He every day or every other day he gets on top of that tin roof over there, and he does that. He get over there for about 15 minutes. He'll do that. Then he'll get on everybody's tin roof around here. He'll do that on all the tin roofs. That red bellied woodpecker get on all of them, and look what we got. Look what we got. Hang on. Look what we got right now. We got some plums growing. We got a fig. I mean, we got figs. Don't old squirrel up there raising hell at me about me messing with the figs. Old dumb squirrel. Well, yeah, they're about ready. That one feels ready to me. That bird right there. That's what it looks like right now. Ouch. That's what the fig looks like right now, and I just pick it. That's what it looks like now. That fig was super sweet. Oh, that thing was good. It needs just a little bit more time. I think maybe this afternoon. Maybe this afternoon after the sunshine gets on this fine day, there'll probably be some good looking ones on there this afternoon. I might come over here this afternoon and get me some off that thing and eat them. That was good. That was a good fig. Yeah, that was a red-bellied. There's a dove right there. I put some pecans on the boat. See if I can get that dove before he flies off. There he is right there. A dove. That's what that dove is making. He's making that hooting sound. Not that one there, but another one is. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video. Stop.